everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Celestine, and I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to draw an amazing apple tree. It is very simple and easy to do. Just follow my steps. You will need A4 printer paper, a pencil, and coloring pens. Let's get to it! So, I'm going to start by doing the grass. Now I'm going to start by doing the roots. And then now it's rising up all the way up to here. And now I'm going to do the branches. Now I'm going to do the leaves. Now that bit is finished, I'm going to do the whole bit in the middle of the tree. And I'm going to add an owl living inside the hollow tree. That is my owl. Very nice and sweet and big apples. How to draw an apple is first you need to start with the big curve. So it's almost like a circle, but you just stop there. And then it's like a C, but you're doing it tilted a bit. And then you do another C, but this time it's the other way around. You do the brown, you do the stick bit and the leaf. A little bit like what I've done to the tree. I've done it that way. And that is one tree finished. Now I'm going to color it in. You see, it's really simple. I'm going to start with this kind of green. So I'm going to color in the leaves, the bushy bit, darkish green. I'm also going to use dark green, light green, or bright green or neon green to the tree to look more nicer. Make sure you have lots of greens, different kinds of greens, so then you can do it different color, like dark green here. Now I'm going to color in the apples. I'm going to color it in red and dark red. So now I am going to color in the brown bit, the wood. When you're drawing, just enjoy it. It's really fun. It is looking really good. I can't wait to finish it. Now that is one beautiful tree. Now I am going to start with grass. So I finished the leaves, I finished the apples, and I finished the brown wood. in England, when it's winter, all the trees go naked. And it's going to be really, really cold. And sometimes I kind of miss the sun looking at me. And when I go to the beach. Now that I've colored in the grass and everything on the tree, I'm going to start coloring in the sky in sky blue. I'm coloring the sky. It's really nice. Now I'm going to color in the inside of the hollow tree and the owl. My owl is going to be colored purple. I am going to add an apple that fell from the tree to make it more realistic. In it now. This is my one beautiful apple tree. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today. Go and try my fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Keep being creative and watch out for my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!